First of all, I want to congratulate all of you. Today, ceremony is yours. I have seen students, meritorious students, competing each other. This convocation is recognizing your talents. In this background, I want to tell only one thing. All of us has to take as a model for all our inspiration, none other than Her Excellency President of India. She was born as an ordinary woman. Now she has achieved extraordinary excellence. If we can go through her history, one small family, that to tribal family in a remote village, with dedication, with hard work, she rose to the President of India position, first citizen of India position. That is her achievement during our lifetime. He started as a teacher, then assistant professor, then irrigation department one junior assistant, then in Raipur one counselor. First academic service, then she entered into political service as counselor, then chairperson, then minister, then governor, then President of India. What else? All of us should have. This is the best example. Even we are all born in a small way with practice, with hard work. We can achieve anything in the world. That is where she has shown the way for all of us.